What's up, everybody? Devin here, and I'm back, and today I got the SteelsSeries Rival 5. I took a look at this box, and you already know this is legit because IGN says so. If IGN says this is the best gaming mouse, you know IGN, they real legit on their ranking scores, so if they say this is the best mouse, this gotta be the best mouse. Look, it even says pros have won more prize money right there. Look at that, bro. Credibility established. We gotta get into this. All right, guys, I gotta go today. You gotta go today. Throw them things up for your boy. Let's get it started.
John Savage all day.
SteelsSeries Rival 5 Precision Multi-Genre Gaming Mouse. Best gaming mouse, 10 out of 10 by IGN. So the sensor system, True Move Air, sensitivity 18,000 CPI, maximum speed 400 IPS, maximum acceleration 40G, switch rating 80 million clicks, design right-handed, finish matte finish, onboard memory check, buttons 9 programmable, triggers, split triggers, lightning 10 zone RBG, weight 85G, connection USB type A, cable length 6.8 or 2 meters, and cable type super mesh cable. And it's for the PC, Mac, and Xbox. Oh, and did I mention this by IGN? All right, so here's the back. True Move Air Sensor, custom high performance optical sensor with true one-on-one tracking for speed and accuracy. 9 programmable buttons, includes 5 quick action buttons on the side of the mouse for your most important hotkeys, and 85G competitive weight. The convenient features of a premium mouse, streamlined for lightweight speeds and comfort. All right, now let's unbox it. Here's what it's looking like. Looking real nice, sitting in it like that. Ooh, this look nice. Okay. You got the nice mouse, and yeah, you got that mesh wiring. It's really nice, so it won't tear up. Nice and secure, should last you a couple of years. Should be nice. All right, Rival 5, that's all that comes with. A quick guide. Welcome to Rival. It explains the buttons on each mouse and what it can do. So you got left trigger, right trigger, scroll wheel, CPI button, toggle switch, side button 1, side button 2, side button 3, PTFE feed, and True Move Air Sensor. And also you got the CPI button functions and the levels. All right, so here's the mouse itself. Nice material, looks really nice. Yeah, this definitely feels nice on the hand. And all right, guys, listen. I'm not gonna scrape the bottom, okay? Last time I scraped the bottom, you guys gave me a great time about that. All right, so you know what? We're not gonna scrape the bottom, okay? We're gonna keep this thing nice and clean. So here's the bottom of it right now. Looking real nice, right? All right, so on top, feels really nice. Feels really good on the hand. You know, it fits my whole palm. So that's really good. I got enough space to do things with it. All the buttons are on the left side where the thumb is. And so here's the right side where my thumb is. So it's a nice groove to fit your thumb in right here. You have a button right here, and the 3 buttons right here for your thumb. So that's really, really nice. All right, so here's a better view of it. You can actually see the nice groove right here. There's an indent for your thumb. So you have the 1 button and the 3 buttons on top right here. Really nice placement. You also got the button on top, the 2 standard buttons, and you also have the nice wheel that function really nice. And last but not least, I'm a really, really big fan of this mesh because we know with standard wires, it's gonna break over time. It's gonna come undone over time. You know, it can just shorten out over time, but you know, this mesh should really keep up. As you guys know, it is a USB-A So, all right, so now we're gonna plug this in, see some pretty lights, and y'all let me know how I feel. And no, again, I'm not gonna put this on the ground, okay? All right, I'm gonna hold on to it, okay? Like a baby, okay? Like a baby. And did I tell y'all this is by IGN? SteelsSeries. IGN hasn't lied to me so far. They always prove, you know, good stuff. So, all right, it said precision, multi-genre gaming mouse, right? All right, so we're gonna play this thing called mouse accuracy test. All right, we gonna see. Yeah, we gonna see. Whoa, hold up. Wait, whoa. What's going on? What's poppin'? Hold up. Oh, okay, I'm doing alright. Alright, hold up. This joint going. It's too much. Yo, it's too much. Oh, hold on, I'm getting scared. Hold on, time. Wait, whoa. Hold up, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold up, what's going on? All right, well, that's my score, man. Listen, clearly I'm not part of the PC Master Race, but when it comes to that, console now, that's all I'm gonna say. Yes. IGN said this is the best gaming mouse. I mean, IGN. I mean, oops, you know? But all right, guys, this is Devin up, poking pizza for your boy. Hope you learned something from this video. Hope you guys had fun. Clearly, you know, I'm just trolling, like, with the whole gaming thing. I'm sure you guys can destroy me in this, you know? But we have fun on this channel. Hope you guys have fun too. Like, come on, guys. Like, keep it easy, keep it light, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's all fun and games, it's all jokes, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah. All right, throw them pizza for your boys. Devin up, I'm out. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys commenting. Appreciate it. Yeah, comment, say what you want. Say what you want, but you know what I'm saying? Chill out. All right, y'all. I'm out. Peace.